Welcome to our factory. This is our spacious and bright office building. We have professional R&D and sales teams, providing customers with high-quality products and services. This is our meeting room and reception room, providing a comfortable communication environment for customers. This is our modern factory, equipped with advanced production, equipment, and technicians. We have a complete quality management system, ensuring product quality meets international standards. If you are interested in our products and services, please feel free to contact us. Looking forward to cooperating with you.